through COVID the light was fading, and if we didn't get floodlights or a complex soon, we would have nowhere for the kids to go.
In my mid-20s, I began to understand how powerful football could be in bringing people together.
To see others and speak to others, this is broke the routine of COVID, because you are stay at home for a long time. It's really a boring time. With this project, this is a new opportunity to break the routine and the life.
I've been coming to this group for 20 odd years. Absolutely fantastic. This is the only time I've been out since the COVID, and it does so much for me. Looking at nature, meeting other people, take me out of the house, gets me thinking positive what life is going to be after all this.
No, they're fantastic, they are. They do a lot and they work hard, you know what I mean? In lockdown they've come in and it's hard, you know what I mean? For them coming in, they're working in lockdown and they've got their families as well.
And lockdown came in, so it was impossible to go to any dance. And I got really very upset. I thought, right, I finished, that's the end, that's it. And when I found out about the Scottish dancing, by accident really, but I found out about Scottish dancing and it was like a beginning again. I thought, there's something I can actually do, something I'll be able to do, which I've always liked.
COVID compounding. Overwhelming. It's up to myself. It's just going to be time. I've got all the tools. They showed me how to use them. Listen, it's going to be messy.